Page 1. Can you make one sentence from two ideas? Look at these two sentences. I like tea. I like coffee. We can connect them and say, I like tea and coffee. Today, you will learn 5 useful conjunctions, and, but, or, so, and because. Let's start. Page 2. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or sentences. For example, tea and coffee. In the morning and at night. I was tired, so I slept. Conjunctions help our ideas sound clear and complete. Page 3. First, let's learn in. We use and to add information. I like tea and coffee. She is smart and kind. Tom has a dog and a cat. And means we are adding one more idea. Page 4. Now, let's practice. Choose the correct sentence using in. Number 1. I like tea blank coffee. Number 2. Tom has a dog blank a cat. Number 3. She is smart blank kind. Think for 2 seconds. The answers are, and. Remember, and adds information. Page 5. Now, let's learn but. We use but to show contrast. Contrast means two ideas are different. For example, it is raining, but we are playing soccer. I wanted to go out, but I had homework. But helps us show an opposite or unexpected idea. Page 6. Let's try a but quiz. Choose the correct sentence. Number 1. She is tired, but she is still working. Number 2. It was raining, but we went for a walk. Number 3. His flight was on time, but he missed it. Think for 2 seconds. Good, but shows contrast between two ideas. Page 7. Next, we have or. We use or when we choose between two or more options. Would you like pizza or a burger? Do you want tea or coffee? We can stay home or go to the cinema. Or helps us choose between options. Page 8. Now, let's practice or. Choose the correct sentence using or. Number 1. Would you like pizza or a burger? Number 2. Do you want tea or coffee? Number 3. We can stay home or go to the cinema. Think for 2 seconds. Great. Or is about choice. Page 9. Now, let's learn so. We use so to show a result. One thing happens, and then another thing happens because of it. It was raining, so we stayed home. I was hungry, so I made a sandwich. She studied hard, so she passed the test. So shows what happens next. Page 10. Let's practice so. Number 1. I studied hard, blank I passed the test. Number 2. It was raining, blank we stayed home. Number 3. My phone was dead, blank now it works. Think for 2 seconds. The answers are so. So shows the result of an action or situation. Page 11. Now, let's learn because. Because gives a reason. It answers the question. Why? I went to bed early because I was tired. We stayed home because it was raining. She passed the test because she studied hard. Because tells us why something happens. Page 12. Let's practice because. Number 1. I studied hard because blank. Number 2. We didn't go out because blank. Number 3. My car didn't start because blank. Think for 2 seconds. The answers are. I wanted to do well. It was raining. The battery was dead. Because gives the reason. Page 13. Now, let's review everything with a mixed quiz. Choose the correct conjunction, and, but, or, so, or because. Number 1. I was tired, blank I went for a run. Number 2. It was raining, blank we stayed home. Number 3. She studied hard, blank she passed the exam. Number 4. Would you like tea blank coffee? Number 5. I bought bread blank milk. Number 6. I stayed home blank I had a lot of work. Think for 2 seconds. The answers are but, so, or, and because. Great job. Page 14. Let's review one more time. And adds information, but shows contrast, or gives a choice. So shows a result, because gives a reason. Keep practicing. Small steps bring big progress. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English grammar lessons. See you in the next lesson.